Hello guys, in this video we will see what keeps crashing on startup and how to fix it. I'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step diagnosing this crashing on startup issue. Content when crashes on startup, it means the game fails to launch correctly, often exiting immediately after the initial splash screen or during the loading process before reaching the main menu. This issue typically points to a conflict or corruption within the game file system, drivers, operating system, or incompatible software running in the background. Understanding that this is often a software-related problem rather than a hardware failure helps narrow down the potential fixes. The first step involves recognizing the symptom and preparing for a systematic troubleshooting approach to identify the root cause.
Step essential first fixes file integrity. Driver updates. Content. The most common culprits for startup crashes are corrupted game files or outdated graphics. Drivers begin by verifying the integrity of SYS game files. Through Steam, right-click Set in your library, go to Properties, Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for and repairs any missing or damaged game files concurrently. Ensure your graphics drivers, NVIDIA, and Intel are updated to the latest stable version directly from the manufacturer's website. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of instability and crashes, especially after game updates. Also confirm your Windows operating system is fully updated.
Step the modifying launch options and resetting graphics settings. Content if the game still crashes, the issue might stem from conflicting in-game settings or specific rendering mods. Utilize Steam launch options for XUT to force a safer start. Right-click XUT in Steam, go to Properties, General, and under Launch Options, try entering auto-config to reset graphics and video settings to default or safe load for a minimal launch. Other useful options include Nubid to skip the intro video and potentially, if you suspect direct pivot issues on older hardware, forcing directs. If you suspect the corrupted configuration file, manually deleting the VGX and config files located in the Steam user data or Steam path folder can force the game to regenerate. Default settings. Step identifying and resolving software conflicts. Content background applications and overlays can often interfere with SYS launch, leading to crashes. Temporarily disable common culprits such as Discord overlay, NVIDIA, DeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, third-party antivirus software, or streaming applications like House. These programs inject code into the game process, which can conflict with SYS, especially after updates. Consider performing a clean boot of Windows to start your system with a minimal set of drivers and start up programs. This advanced troubleshooting step helps isolate whether a specific background application is causing the conflict by allowing you to re-enable programs one by one until the crash recurs.
Step is complete. Reinstallation and system prerequisites. Check. Content. If all previous steps fail, a clean reinstallation of SYS is often the most effective solution. Completely uninstall the game through Steam, then manually delete any remaining SYS folders from your Steam apps common directory to ensure no old corrupted files persist after a fresh download and installation. Also ensure all necessary system prerequisites are installed and up to date. This includes Microsoft Visual Redistributables often found in Steam apps, Common Steamworks, shared Common Redis Directs runtime, and verifying that your net framework is correctly configured. In rare cases, insufficient RAM or a failing storage drive can cause persistent startup issues, so performing a quick check of your system resources can also be beneficial.